Applying impressive animations in After Effects. Editing icons with Illustrator. I'll make this composition 1920 by 1080. I'll name this paint icon and I'll change the duration to 30 seconds. Next, I'll move that composition into the comp folder. And notice I have all these folders created, one that's called comps, images, pre-comps, and solid. This is so that I can stay organized. I'll go up to Layer, New Solid, and actually I'll make this solid blue. To import an Illustrator file, go to File, Import. Import your file and be sure and choose Import Composition Retain Layer Size and click on Create Composition and hit Import. Double-click the pre-comp and then turn on this button right here. That's called Continuously Rasterized. This will ensure your Illustrator file is at full quality. Now I will copy this icon from my composition and then paste it into my comp. I'll briefly jump into shape layers. I'll create a shape object and then I will add an ellipse. Add a stroke here. Increase my stroke width. And size up my ellipse here. I'll also briefly jump into parenting. I'm going to parent this shape layer to my paint jar icon by grabbing this pick whip and dragging it to my paint jar icon. So now the shape layer will move with the paint jar layer. So now I can continue to edit my shape by clicking on the masking tool right here and I can just drag that. Or I can go over here and add the fill effect and change the color of my icon. So these are some of the ways you can edit your layer. Another way I can edit my layer is to go into Illustrator. So if I go to Edit and I do Edit Original, and I can change any of the colors here in Illustrator, and it will automatically update when I save it. It will update it inside of After Effects.